Did you know that India's new mobile phone manufacturing scheme could position the country as a global electronics manufacturing powerhouse? This is not just a dream. It's a strategic initiative that could redefine the tech landscape by 2026. In today's video, we're diving into the latest trends in technology and finance that are shaping our world. From India's ambitious manufacturing goals to rising concerns in tech ethics, we're covering it all. Get ready to learn about the implications of these developments and why they matter to you. First, let's talk about India's mobile phone manufacturing scheme outlined in an article from the Times of India on July 29, 2026. This scheme is a game changer. The Indian government aims to prioritize scale and exports, driving a robust electronics manufacturing ecosystem. How does this work? By increasing domestic production, India not only aims for self-sufficiency but also positions itself as a major player in the global market. This shift could lead to thousands of jobs and a boost in the economy. By investing in local manufacturing, the government is looking to enhance its competitive edge against established players like China. If successful, this initiative could redefine global supply chains and bring affordable electronics to consumers worldwide. Next, let's shift gears to a more concerning topic from the New York Post. On the same day, Senator Chuck Grassley confronted Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg over a shocking incident involving a former Meta employee. This engineer, who worked on digital experiences for kids, publicly admitted to attempting to sext a 13-year-old. Grassley is demanding answers and accountability from Zuckerberg. This incident raises serious questions about the ethical responsibilities of tech companies and their commitment to protecting vulnerable users. With social media playing such a significant role in children's lives, the need for stricter regulations and oversight has never been more urgent. This situation highlights the ongoing debate about privacy, safety, and the moral obligations of tech giants. Finally, let's discuss the broader implications of these developments for the tech industry as a whole. As we see in the article from pimps.com, the financial landscape is also evolving. The launch of Increase Bank aims to provide fintech companies with a modern banking infrastructure. Founded just 6 years ago, this new bank is designed to help businesses build financial products more efficiently. By combining regulated banking services with innovative technology, Increase Bank could pave the way for a new generation of financial services. This shift could democratize access to financial tools and services, allowing startups and established companies alike to thrive in an increasingly digital economy. In summary, here are the key takeaways from today's discussions. India's mobile phone manufacturing scheme could reshape global electronics manufacturing, promoting local production and economic growth. The accountability crisis at Meta highlights the urgent need for ethical standards and protections in technology, especially for vulnerable populations like children. The emergence of Increase Bank signals a transformative shift in fintech, enabling easier access to banking services for businesses and potentially disrupting traditional financial institutions. What do you think about these developments? Are you optimistic about India's manufacturing future? How do you feel about the ethical responsibilities of tech companies? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insightful content on technology and its impact on our world. Until next time, stay curious.